Hello everyone and welcome on this new late week analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also my friends, I would like to highlight first of all that trading the gold nowadays is so risky, unbelievably risky. The gold, as you can see, has actually dropped for over 2,300 pips in the last 2 days. Why? Because of two reasons. Number one, Jerome Powell. Mr. Donald Trump has actually announced that he actually has cancelled the idea of firing him. Number two is, of course, China. Now, Donald Trump also hinting that they are actually about to make a deal with China to either drop the tariffs or actually reduce them. But actually, he's going to make a deal with China. So these two things actually has led to a major drop in the gold prices. But now, as you can see, the gold is rising back. Why? Because simply investors don't trust Donald Trump. And that actually shows that the gold is still actually controlling and seems it's going to continue the rise. Yes, the news of China and Jerome Powell has actually boosted the US dollar. But again, the dollar right now is still falling again. The market is so unstable right now, my friends, and with uncertainty, we are not really sure what's going to happen next. So therefore, trading this signal might be very risky because we are going to continue buying the gold. But again, if Donald Trump, out of the blue skies, just simply announces that today he have made a deal with China, then I highly encourage you to cancel this signal by all means. Do not buy the gold once Donald Trump announced that he has made a deal with China. So please guys, be careful and wise and consider that this signal is based on the current data that we have on the market. So now what's going to happen next with the gold? As you can see, the gold actually, my friends, after and let me just clear that we are actually right now on the 4-hour time frame. The gold actually has been declined from the bearish breakout from the support zone at the bracket of 3290. So as you can see right now, the market actually has even here created a support trend line, as you can see, and that support trend line is actually strong enough to hold the positions if we actually drop it and take it every single on every single trend line, which means the market actually respecting this area. Now, what's gonna happen next, in my opinion, is that the gold actually gonna continue the rise, but not now. We can actually buy the market later. Let me just show you. If we just check right now the Fibonacci retracement from this low right here from this low here to this high, as you can see right now, the market right now is actually ranging at Fibonacci 50, and I am actually expecting to buy the gold exactly at Fibonacci 61.8, which means we have to wait for the pair to fall to another 440 pips. Again, this is really nothing, but we need more confirmation on that. So again, what we can do right now to confirm this entry, simply by looking at the, let me just show it to you, the resistance trend line that we have right here. Exactly, check this out. So right now we can see here clearly that we actually had a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, barely touching it, and then it became a support trend line number 1. And here is the interesting thing. Here we have one fake breakout level from this area. In my opinion, guys, one of the best setups possible is to look for a real support trend line and then followed later with a fake breakout. Then consider to buy the market exactly right here once the market reaches the same level of a real support trend line. That actually might be a good entry. Sorry. And actually, my friends, honestly speaking, this is how I do my day trading. And if you would like to see it, I'm actually ready to upload a video of my day trading if you guys willing to see it. In the past, actually, guys, I used to upload a lot of videos of live trading, but I stopped it here because the new audience of this channel is looking for gold signals. But if you guys would like to see gold scalping video, let me please know in the comments so I can actually upload more of these to show you how I'm actually doing a scalping session every day in the gold and the other pairs. So let's get back to the subject. I'm actually, guys, recommending to wait for the gold to fall back right here to this level of a support trend line and buy the market. However, waiting for the market to reach exactly Fibonacci 61.8 gonna take a while. So therefore, I would like to move right now to the smaller time frame, such as 30 minutes. Alright, now here on the 30-minute time frame, let me just do like that. Now we can actually here have a better entry. If we look right here at the new candles, now as you can see right here exactly, precisely right here, at 3316. That, as we can see, my friends, was actually right here the nearest level of a real support, which has been followed here with a fake breakout. But however, the real level of the support has indeed been respected multiple times, as we can see right here. And also it was recently a resistance which has been broken out from. Therefore, we will just wait for the gold to fall back right here to reach 3316 and then continue buying the market till it reach Fibonacci 23.6 at the price of 426, I think. Therefore, that's going to be our take profit level, aiming around 1,100 pips profit with the signal, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a support right here exactly at 3272, which will be ranging for around 400 pips. Actually, guys, trading gold nowadays is really bad. It's not like in the old days. It's going to be around 370 pips of a safe zone. Let me know, please write this signal for you. And there goes our new deal for the gold. My friends, of course, I'm totally aware that recently none of the signals here on YouTube are being activated, but I hope you guys understand how crazy the gold is. Very few people are actually able to predict the gold, and those who are able to are really getting so lucky. The gold movements nowadays is really random, and somehow relies on the fundamentals, actually completely relies on the fundamentals. So again, we're really here doing the best we can to find these entries for you. So this entry, actually, I know you might tell me this is going to take a while, but remember, this is 30-minute time frame. And as you can see, in just 2 hours only, the market has moved for around over actually almost 500 pips. So therefore, this signal might actually be triggered very soon at any moment. The market is just like exactly 400 pips far away from the entry. And before we close the video, don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram about the gold. We actually, guys, have a gold signals channel on Telegram. This is our channel, Xtreme Gold Signals. Please, guys, make sure to join it. And you can also find the link in the description below of this video. I will post any gold-related updates of the signal right here, and also right here we are sending updates and notifications about what's happening in the world and the market and how actually the news affecting it. So make sure, guys, to join it and stay connected to Xtreme Trader through this channel again here, Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.